Today's selection is Unpack on Angry Dab Corvette Z06 by Land 210. Like. The link to the video will be the description below. Go in second match. So let's into this selection in 3, 2, 1.
Honk if I'm a dude. So me and my dad are about to take a drive to Philly right now, which is like a 30 to 40 minute drive. We actually planned on going to see my grandma. So this is the perfect time to do this video. We're gonna be taking this car. He has no idea that this sign is on the back of his car. I'm hoping he doesn't see it. From this angle, you can't see anything, so we should be good. And let's see how many people actually beep at him. You ready? Let's go. Taking a vid out for a spin. Let's do it. Oh, sounds nice. What's wrong with your backup cam? You see that? No. That was weird. It's like a, I don't know. Here we go. Go, give us some gas. You better fill me up with gas.
What's this dude doing? I'm trying to get gas over here.
Tell him to go around.
Why is he honking his horn?
I don't know. Maybe he's got a... Is there no room to get out? He's got plenty of room.
Dude, what's your problem?
Look, he's still standing. He's still there.
Why is he beeping?
I don't know. He's still getting gas.
What are they beeping at? Why are you laughing?
I don't know. I don't know why anyone's beeping at you.
Assholes. Look, they're laughing at me. Why are they laughing? Look.
I don't know.
Why? Lance, I'm gonna kick somebody today.
Yeah.
What do you want? Why? Dude, I'm doing 65 miles an hour over here. And these people are beeping at me.
Yeah, and they can easily go around.
What the f? I moved over. I'm on this lane. This is f***ing me off, man. Look. Who is it? Who's this dude? Come on. What are you beeping for? Dude, I'm gonna go nuts.
Why are they all beeping at you?
I don't know. Why are you laughing at me?
Because it's hilarious. I don't get it.
Why?
Whoa.
These people are right up my ass. Ah, what do you want? I'm not going nowhere. I'm driving 66 miles an hour over here. What are you blowing your horn at? Lance, you do something to my car or something?
No, I don't understand. Is that like National Beep Day or something? I don't know why they're beeping.
Why? Dude, why are these people beeping at me? Lance, I swear you did something to my car, dude.
What would I have done?
I don't know. Why are these people beeping at me?
I don't understand what I would have done.
Why me up my ass? Look at this person. What you want, ass?
It's so funny. You're getting off. I don't know why.
They're blowing the horn at me. What do you want me to do? Why? Why? What are you beeping at? Lance, I'm telling you, you did something to this car.
I didn't do.
There's another one beeping. Look at this person on my ass. I'm gonna knock somebody out. Look at this lady. She's blowing her horn at me. Lance, that's like 10 cars blowing their horn at me, Lance.
Yeah, this is very odd. Like she's recording too.
Why is she recording my car?
Got her phone.
I'm turning. Why are you beeping? What are you beeping at? I'll get out of this car. My God! Stop the horn! That's it. What are you? What is your problem?
What?
All that way.
Yeah.
Driving.
To Philly the whole time.
Sorry, dude. He's an idiot. Get that shit off.
Oh.
Hey, you're fine. I'm pulling over. Get that shit off. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. You're an idiot. Look at this guy. He's some nuts now. How long has that been on there?
The whole time, the whole ride.
You're an idiot. You know that?
Got him! Stop
Damn.
fighting, guys!
Yeah, go
I'm
back.
gonna smash your head.
There was That was Unpack on Angry Dab Corvette Z06 by Land 210. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell to be notified below in the Bye.